Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 11 Time and Money part 2nd. Today we will study how to addition and subtraction of time. First we addition of time. Thus first add the following. Add the following. First 3 hours 30 minutes 15 seconds and 4 hours 15 minutes and 20 seconds. First we make 3 columns, hour, minute and second. First we make how many columns? 3 columns, hour, minute and second. Then we arrange this number in column ways. 3 hour 30 minute 15 second. Then here 4 hour 15 minute and 20 second. Then we add this number. Understand you? First you arrange this time in column wise, then according to your question, then in some questions second is not given, in some question minute is not given, in some question hours is not given. Okay, according to your question, then you make in column wise. In this question 3 units are given, hour, minute and second. Now we arrange this in column ways, hour, minute and second. Now we add this number. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Here 5. Then 4. Then 7. What is our answer? 7 hour 45 minutes and 35 seconds. Hour 7 hour 45 minute and 35 second. Okay. Now in another question, here 4 hour 45 minute 50 second and 2 hour 20 minute and 30 second. Okay, again you make 3 columns, then hour, minute and second. Then hour, minute and second. Then you arrange this number 4, 45, 50, here 2, 20, then 30. Now you add this number. Now we add 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 0, 5, then 4 plus 2, 6, then 6. Look here, here second is 80, here minute is 65, then here hour 6. When the minute second column and minute column, then above 60 or above. That is 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Okay. When second column and a minute are 60 or above 60, you minus. Here you minus. Why we minus subtract this? We minus 60. That is 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Above 60 here. Therefore, we minus 60 here minus. Then we minus 1 minute we minus, that is 60 second. We add here 1 add. That is we minus here 1 minute, 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Then this minute is here we add. Understand you? No. Above 60 or above 60 in second and minute you subtract 60. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Therefore, we minus 60. Understand? This 1 minute we add in minute column. Understand you? Then our answer here 80 minus 60, 20 second. Here 65, already 65 minute here, then 1 add, then 66. 66 minus 60, that is 1 hour above 60. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. Therefore, we subtract 60 minute from the 66 minute. Then we add this 1 here. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. We subtract here 60 minute. This 1 hour here we add. Then first you subtract this, then 6 here, 7. Final answer 7 hours, 6 minute and 20 second. Understand you? Final our answer 7 hours, 6 minute, 20 second. Understand you? Then why when we subtract 60 or above, above come in second and minute column. When we add the 60 or above 60 come in second and minute, we subtract. Okay. Then we add next unit. Then another one more question. Seven hour, 50 minute, then 20 second and 3 hour, 45 minute, then 10 second. First we make 3 columns, hour, minute and second. Then we arrange this number 7, 50, 20. Here 3, 45, then 10. Then add this number. Then here 30, here 95, here 10. Then you check your second and minute columns. Then here 30, below 60, there is no change here. Then here 95, above 60. Then you subtract here. Then we subtract 60. Then here add 1. Why we add here 1? That is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, we add this 1 minute, we get 1 hour, this shift here. Okay. Then now we final answer, there is no change here, 30 second, then here minus u, 35 minute, here 11 hours. Now you understand, I think now you understand here. Okay. Then this is the addition of time. Now subtraction, how to subtract the time. Subtract 9 hours 30 minutes from 15 hours 45 minutes. Listen, in always which word come here? From. Therefore, which number you first write? Second number. Okay. In it, first you arrange this number in column wise. This is also time. Then arrange you. There is 2 unit given here, hour and minute. Then you arrange this. This is from this word come in question. Therefore, which number we write first? This second number we write first. 15 hours, then 45 minutes. Then here 9 hour 30 minutes. Then subtract. First you look here. 30 take away from 45. This is possible. Okay. Then first you subtract this number. 0 take away from 5. 5. Then 3 take away from 4. 1. Then 9 take away from 15. 6. Our answer 6 hours 15 minutes. Then next question, here I write here, then comparing this answer you. 9 hours, I change this question, 9 hours, 30 minutes from 15 hours, 25 minutes. I change in minute column. Then first we arrange it to column hour and minute. Then the which word come in question? From come in question. Therefore you write the second number right in first. Then here 15. Here 25. Okay. Next 9, then 30. Now subtract this number. Look here. 30 minutes take away from 25 minutes. This is possible? No. We take borrowing from the hours. We take 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In ordinary case, we take this case, we take 15, 25, here 9, 30. Or in ordinary, we subtract this cut 4, this cut 12, then this also 5, then 9, then this way. In time, this is not possible here. This time we take borrow from hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. We take 60 minute. Therefore, we add 60 here. Understand you? In ordinary case, no. In time, we take 1 hour. We take 1 hour, not in tons. Not in 100 tons, we don't take. We take 1 hour. Therefore, we add 25 plus 60. Okay. Then this cut 14. Understand you? Then 30 minutes is take away from 25 minutes. This is not possible. Therefore, we take 1 hour here. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then we add 60 minutes to the 25 minutes. Okay. Then our 14. Now you subtract this. We write here in new columns 85, then here 14, then second number is not changed, 9 and 30. Now you subtract. 0 take away from 5, this is possible 5, then 3 take away from 8, 5, then 9 take away from 14, 5. Our answer is 5 hours 55 minutes. Understand? 5 hours 55 minutes. Here then what is the difference between this question? There is no need for borrowing. This question we need for borrowing. We take 1 hour, therefore we add 60 in minute. Then now our 25 plus 60, 85, then 15, 1 subtract 14. We knew our number 14 hours 85 minute. Then there is no change in second number 9 hours and 30 minute. Now we subtract, our answer come 5 hours 55 minute. Then this is the subtraction of time. You understand? Then both questions, the difference between both then this question. Okay. You do the question number 1 A to C, question number 2 A to C of exercise 11.3. Okay. Thank you.